There are a huge variety of different selection tools in Photoshop, and each should be used in particular ways. From my assets, I'm going to open up the Rose file, and I'll fit it to screen. Right-clicking on the Marquee tool shows me a variety of different choices. I can go for rectangular, elliptical, and others, such as single row or a single column. I've also got the Lasso tool. I've got a freehand lasso which will follow wherever I move the mouse or stylus that I'm using. I've also got the Polygonal Lasso tool which will draw straight lines from point to point. Finally, I have a magnetic lasso tool which will try and follow based on colour set points around the image, and I can click at any point to use or define a given area. I've also got the Magic Wand tool which will select areas based on colour. I can click it and holding Shift I can click a variety of different areas to keep building up particular parts that I think I would like to copy. And so with anything selected, again I could copy, delete or change. In this case I'm going to copy and just paste it into a new file. And there's the part copied using the Magic Wand tool. With enough time and patience, this can be a very effective way of removing unwanted parts of an image.